In this video, we'll show you how to install a Fluidron on your air compressor. Proper condensate management is essential for protecting your compressed air system and preventing contamination. Before we continue, this video comes with subtitles available in several languages. Let's get started. Here are the products used for the following installation. The full list of products is in the description below, and all items are available at newparts.com. Before you begin, always close the ball valve connected to the air compressor to shut off the air supply. Next, coat the fitting with thread sealant and screw it into the dirt trap to ensure a secure, leak-free connection. Then, coat the other end of the fitting with thread sealant and attach it to the ball valve. Ensure the dirt trap is pointing downwards so any debris can be easily removed. Now, take the Fluidron and remove the plug. Put this aside, as we will need it later. Be aware of the arrow on the Fluidron, which indicates the flow direction. Make sure it points from the compressor towards the outlet. Installing it backwards can prevent proper operation, cause leaks, or damage the unit. To achieve the result you see on screen, we continue to coat a second fitting and screw it into the Fluidron. Then, coat the other side of the fitting and install the Fluidron to the dirt trap. Last but not least, screw the push-in fitting into the Fluidron. This will allow you to attach the air hose later. Now we'll power up the device by setting up the coil. We do this by first taking it apart. First, slide the coil's cable boot, rings and its housing onto the power cable. Then secure the internal wires to the coil using a screwdriver. Once all three wires are securely installed, carefully reassemble the coil and firmly tighten the cable boot. Put the plate back onto the coil, replace the matching screw, and connect the coil to the Fluidron. Finally, tighten the screw to ensure the coil is securely attached. Now you're ready to test the device. Don't forget to power the Fluidron. Simply plug it into a power outlet first. Once the device is powered, the off indicator light will turn on automatically. It is very important to reopen the ball valve to allow air to flow again. You can then test the Fluidron by simply pressing the test button. When the lights switch like this, your fluid drain is good to go. Don't forget to adjust the time interval, controlling how often it releases condense. The interval can be set in seconds or minutes. Now it's time to unbox the oil and water separator. This device separates oil from the condensation water and automatically drains it from the compressed air filter using a float mechanism. The separator comes with a mounting bracket for optional wall installation. Make sure to read the user manual before using the product. Next, we'll connect the Fluidron to the oil and water separator to complete the condensate system. Install a compatible push-in fitting on the separator. The Fluidron and the separator can now be connected using an air hose. And that's how to successfully install a Fluidron. Other types of Fluidrons and separators are available at newparts.com, along with extensive information about condensate technology. Be sure to check the description below for more details.